Hey guys, Christy here, and today I want to show you one of the newest features in Canva, and it is called Magic Expand. And this is going to be really helpful when you find a picture that is not quite in the right size, but you love it. Like say, I have a square photo here that I really like. I'm going to go ahead and put this in here, but if I try to make it bigger or elongate things, it's going to change the whole shape, right, of the picture. So that's not what I want. And now that we have Canva's newest feature where I can expand it, now I'm going to have the option to make it fit much better. So I'm going to show you how we do that. You're going to go ahead and click Edit Photo, and we're going to click here on Magic Expand. Now it gives you options for the size that you want it to be. So in this case, I want it to be the size for an Instagram story, which will be 9 by 16. So then go ahead and click Magic Expand, and we'll wait for it to do its thing. All right, so here we go. Now we can see it has a couple options here. It's got this one here, it's got that one, this one, and this one here. I like this one the best. It's the most natural looking one. And you see how it just expands everything naturally. So you're not having to change the actual picture. So I definitely like that one. I'm going to say done, and voila, I'm going to set it as the background, and that's perfect. So now I have a square picture in a vertical shape or size, and you wouldn't even know the difference. So this is going to be a super helpful feature to be able to use when you find pictures or photos that aren't in the shape that you needed, or it's vertical when you need a horizontal, and so on. So I really love it, and I think you will too. Just know that you do need to have Pro in order to use this feature. So hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time.